This is the new NDC-Matrix from REHOO. Before we start the machine, we have to make sure the 4 feet is fixed. Here, we have to make sure the machine is steady. Okay. Here is the power switch. Now the machine is on, and this is the printer drawer. This one is the USB port. The system has locking. And before we detect the product, we have to preset the product. It has 100 product list. For example, I put a name, shirt 1, the batch number 3, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lens. Here is the type of the detection. Normally we are selecting the normal, and the reject mode we have a continuous stop mode and rollback. Generally we are using the rollback. So we have to save all the change after we make any change. So this is the reject setting. Stop time, I make it 2 seconds. Roll back 80. Save. Okay. Let's go to scanning. Before scanning, we have to study the product. We have 2 options. Standard. Okay, the machine is running now. So we have the shirt to test. The study will be running 3 times. Okay, the study is finished. Now we're going to this is the 0.8 ferron, the test box. I'm now just put this under my clothes. Let's go test. Start. The screen shows it detected the needle on the channel 4. Okay, let me just change the position of the text box. Start again. Now we can see the test box is showed on 7. Channel 7. Again. It's on 5. So anywhere the needle has been detected should be showed on the LED dot display. It will show you where exactly the needle has been detected. Now I'm putting this one on the channel 2 position. Let's try again. It shows on channel 2, and over here LED dots display showed as well. Okay. Let me try another detecting mode for this. Scanning is a different way of the detecting. It has a 10 channel as well, but this one will show where exactly the needle has been detected. Where the position? Let's find out. Okay. We can see the needle has been detected on the channel 4 in the middle of the product. And here, this is on channel 7. Let's try again. You can see I have put the test box in front of the shirt, and in the scanning map it shows in here. Then, as a result, you can find out where exactly the text box was detected. And now we have two options to save the data. This one is a print. The printer has just printed all the information in here. We have just tested it product totally 6 times, and the batch number is 3 as we just preset it, and the serial number, and the product is the shirt 1, and the NG times we have 6 times as we just tested it before. This is the result. And also we can just plug in the USB driver into the USB port to save the data into the computer. We can just click this USB button. Okay. Into the system setting, user setting. We have three different levels. This supervisor is authorized from the manufacturer, which is REHOO. We are going to change something from our level, and the administrator, who is in charge of the whole factory. And now we have 5 operator level. For example, edit. This is the user ID 8, user type operator. We can just set whatever you want to make the username. For example, Mike. The passcode 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The new operator username has been created. Okay. For example, if you have just finished one shift and you have another operator just coming in, he can just change the shift from logging out the former operator and logging the Mike username, Mike. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. another new operator now he's working in, and as we can see, he's not an administrator, and then he is not authorized to change the product list and reject the setting. What he can do is only to scanning the product to do the detecting, and now I'm clicking the logs. As we can see, this mic operator, he has not any record of the detecting, because every operator has their own logs, even the log ng log. No, okay. We can just find out what exactly the details, and you can find out which mistake was from the operator. Okay, finish.